everyone, my name's Jenna. Welcome to my channel and to this video. Today I wanted to bring through a light language or transmission on the topic of opening your heart to love. So sometimes there can be like blocks to kind of our ability to let our love kind of out, but also to receive it. And so sometimes even if we consciously are like, I want to open my heart, I want to open my heart, I want to receive love, it's just really, really challenging. And so this is a soundtrack to be open to receiving love, especially, love in the highest form, with energy and all of that. So this is intended for that. Ooh, hey, yeah, 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 ooh, oh, ooh, hey, yeah, ooh, hey, ah, hey, ah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, ooh, ooh, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, hey. So if this video and these sounds resonated with you, maybe you felt something in your heart, maybe you felt a little opening, maybe you just felt a sensation, maybe you felt nothing at all. I invite you to listen to this video again if you want to, at any time that you need it, and especially when you're feeling those blocks for allowing that love to come to you, and also maybe to leave from you, to be shared. And so yeah, if you felt this resonated with you, feel free to like this video, feel free to share it with somebody you think may benefit from it, and you can also subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button if you want to receive notifications of my next one. And best wishes to you with your open heart to love, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.